At the beginning of Chinese from zero, you were learning isolated words, small pieces, one sentence at a time. But now you can ask questions. 吗？你今天忙吗？你可以来吗？ Give reasons. 因为我很累，因为明天我要工作。You can show contrast. 但是我想去，但是我很忙。我喜欢咖啡，但是我不能喝太多。Talk about plans. 明天我去中国。晚上我要学习中文。You can say what you can do. 我会一点中文。我能听懂一点。Say what you ought to do and must do. 我得工作。我必须早点睡。Say what you should do. 应该。我应该休息。我最好明天练习。And even speak more politely. 可以吗？我可以问你一个问题吗？我可以坐在这里吗？ So today we move from sentences into conversation. This is your series 2 finale. Listen first, then repeat. Tired, but still going. 你今天想去吗？我想去，但是我很累。你昨天睡得好吗？不好，我应该早点休息。我知道，但是我得工作。Okay, repeat with me now. 你今天想去吗？我想去，但是我很累。你昨天睡得好吗？不好，我昨天很晚睡。你应该早点睡。Repeat after me. 你今天想去吗？我想去，但是我很累。你昨天睡得好吗？不好，我昨天很晚睡。你应该早点休息。我知道，但是我得工作。This already sounds very different from beginner textbook Chinese. Now the language carries desire, 我想去 pressure, 你应该 advice, 你应该 and real adult life. 我得工作，我很忙，我很累 That's real life. And conversations are becoming more natural. Now the second conversation, can I eat this? 你今天可以吃糖吗？不可以。为什么？因为医生说我必须少吃糖。那你可以喝豆浆吗？对，我也喜欢喝豆浆。Now let's repeat this. 你今天可以吃糖吗？不可以。为什么？因为医生说我必须少点吃糖。你可以喝豆浆吗？可以，对，我也喜欢喝豆浆。So one small conversation, but now you can hear permission, 可以吗？ Restriction, 不可以。Reason, 因为 necessity, and suggestion. Inside the same exchange, the same conversation. This is real communication. Before we move on, let me remind you of the heart of this course. From lesson 1, Chinese from zero has never been about reading silently or memorizing long grammar explanations. It has always been about listening first, speaking out loud, and learning how to put simple words together into real sentences. The pinyin and Chinese characters are there to help you They're to support the sound. They're not the main thing. They give your eyes something to follow, but the real training happens in your ear and in your mouth. And your main goal is to listen carefully, repeat clearly, and practice until the words start to feel familiar. Speaking is like a muscle. You need to exercise it regularly to make it stronger. The more you speak, even if it's only a little bit each day, the more comfortable you'll become. Slowly, the fear begins to fade away. So don't just watch this lesson or any of the other lessons. Speak with me, practice, pause, listen again, and speak. Answer my questions as if I'm right here with you. Pause if you need to, and repeat the words. Try the sentences again and again. Make your mouth do the work. Listen to understand, speak to be understood. One word, one sentence, one small step at a time. That is how you move from zero to real Chinese.